Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the 11 best trailer tire pressure monitoring system and how it works. What is tire pressure monitoring system? A tire pressure monitoring system is an electronic device that is designed to supervise the air pressure inside the pneumatic tires on different vehicles. A tire pressure monitoring system describes instantaneous tire pressure information to the driver through a gauge, a pictogram display, or a simple low-pressure warning light. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. The tire pressure monitoring system is classified into two types. 1. Direct tire pressure monitoring system. This measures the tire's air pressure using the sensor mounted on the car wheel. Usually, suppose your vehicle's air pressure drops below the recommended manufacturer level, range -25% -30%. 2. Indirect tire pressure monitoring system. This works hand in hand with the vehicle anti-lock brake system wheel speed sensor. It triggers an indicator light on your dashboard when your car tire pressure is low below the manufacturer recommended because, at this point, the tire's lower pressure will be moving at a different wheel speed level from the rest tires. How does the trailer tire pressure monitoring system work? A trailer tire air pressure monitor makes it easy to know when a tire is underinflated because the driver will notice a flashing symbol on the dashboard indicating a problem. The trailer tire pressure monitoring system has screw-on caps that transmit pressures and temperatures to an LCD monitor fixed on the dashboard where the data is shown. What pressure should I run my trailer tires at? The tire pressure of a trailer basically determines the amount of load the tire can carry in one piece. A lot of pressure is needed for trailer tires to function properly. It would call for between 50 and 65 pounds per square inch to run your trailer tires. The exact tire pressure for your trailer is approximately the highest pressure for that tire. What does the individual trailer tire pressure monitoring system do? We earlier mentioned in this video that there are principally two types of tire pressure monitoring systems: direct tire pressure monitoring system, indirect tire pressure monitoring system. The direct TPMS works by measuring the exact air pressure in the tire using a battery-powered sensor fixed to the valve stem or a sensor on the middle of the tire. How accurate are tire pressure monitoring systems? The indirect TPMS utilizes the anti-lock braking system wheel speed sensor to spot when one tire is rotating faster than its counterparts. A direct TPMS measures the actual pressure of the tires. Such systems are generally accurate to within 1 SI. Current direct systems use a gauge fixed to the wheel or tire valve. Can you turn off the trailer tire pressure monitoring system? Constant TPMS warnings can be rectified by setting the tire pressures correctly and then resetting the TPMS using a scan tool. If the system isn't reset this way, TPMS warning lights will come up after a normal tire rotation, or if you're swapping tires with ones of a dissimilar size from the aged ones. It isn't advisable then to turn off the TPMS. The price of a trailer tire air pressure monitor device varies from product to product, but your budget has to be considered. You have to make your budget around the features and type you desire. A direct TPMS is more costly than an indirect TPMS. The battery of the system should also be considered when going for a trailer tire air pressure monitor. It is essential to opt for a device with a top-level battery that doesn't cause excessive heat, which can destroy a TPMS. Instead, go for a TPMS with rechargeable batteries. Another factor to consider when buying a TPMS is the ease of installation. Get a system that you can easily install on your own. It is essential to verify the instructions of every TPMS before buying. This will help you weigh up your chances of fixing the system yourself. The durability of the TPMS should also be examined before purchasing. Go for a model that's resilient and long-lasting. So, let's move on to our top best trailer tire pressure monitoring system selection. The 11 best trailer tire pressure monitoring systems are: 1. Bellicorp TPMS is one of the best tire pressure monitoring systems for cars, which keeps your vehicle road ready for the journey of any distance. It comes with loads of important features, including a simple user interface for easy usage, an easy installation guide, and a striking monitor with a large display that can hold up to 5 days of use without requiring a recharge. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. 2. Ease RV Products TPMS 6 Real-Time/24x7 TPMS is the best tire pressure monitoring system for travel trailers produced by the best TPMS manufacturers on the planet in Ease RV products. This trailer tire air pressure monitor features 6 anti-theft sensors and can monitor 26 tires at once, making it the best choice for larger trailers. This product can also handle tire pressure up to 210 psi. This tire pressure monitoring system review is superb, so you needn't worry about purchasing this product. It also boasts of an advanced alert system, making it easy to send out a visual and audio alert that will enable you when there's an issue. This model also has a large display screen, which is easy to use and read. 3. Truck Systems Technology TST507 TPMS is one of the best trailer tire air pressure monitors that are able to work in various recreational vehicles. It can also monitor both tire pressure and temperature in real time without issue. The color display is one unique feature of this product that has garnered many comments. You can customize high and low PSI by setting up 4 axles based on your inclinations. 4. Tire Minder A1A TPMS is one best tire pressure monitoring systems for trailers, which helps to keep track of tire temperature and pressure without question. It features a single action search mode that can transmit data to your display. Plus, this system performs the transfer without loosening the sensors, a move that is impossible with other products. This model also has an impressive LCD screen, which will display accurate figures and make them easy to read. This display will also update these figures every 4 minutes to ensure you have the safest trip possible. This best Bluetooth tire pressure monitor device comes with a simple installation process that isn't time-consuming. 5. Truck System Technologies 507 Series 6 Flow-Through Sensor TPMS is one of the best tire pressure monitoring systems for travel trailers available in the market. This brand is renowned for producing top products and unique customer service. It features a unique color display that makes it easy to read the data, and also features audio and visual alerts on its display. Among other interesting features of this trailer, the tire air pressure monitor is its water-resistant and lightweight sensors, which also have an anti-theft feature. 6. Tire Safeguard RV6 Tire Flow-Through Sensor TPMS is one of the car's best tire pressure monitoring systems. The installation process is easy, and it is quite portable. With this product, you will always know when something is wrong with your tires. The outer cap sensor of this best tire pressure monitoring system for cars is water resistant, meaning everything will still function effectively during rainstorms. 7. Ease RV Products TPMS 10B Real-Time /24x7 TPMS is one of the best tire pressure monitoring systems for trailers that showcases a number of outstanding features. If a problem crops up, this device will send both audio and visual warning alarms. This product features a large TPMS screen, and the monitor makes it easy to read all information. It can change into power-saving mode if the system detects no motion for 15 minutes, it will change into this setting to save battery. 8. Tire Minder Smart TPMS. It features 6 transmitters that provide real-time alerts and monitoring to ensure that many of your tires are ready to travel, making them the best tire pressure monitoring system for travel trailers. This model is compatible with iOS and Android systems, meaning you can conveniently check the process on your iPhone, iPad, or other comparable devices. This trailer tire air pressure monitor also has a Rhino booster, which helps to boost the signal to combat road-related issues, including interference. It also comes with anti-theft locking nuts. 9. The BQ-Tech Wireless Solar Power TPMS is a solar power TPMS that is one of the best tire pressure monitoring systems for travel trailers available in the market. This device features 6 sensors that help fuel economy, reduce tire wear out, predict air leakage, and support safe driving. This model features 2 charging methods, solar power and USB, to make certain that this product is always monitoring everything concerning your RV tires. 10. BQ Solar Power Wireless TPMS. This is one of the best Bluetooth tire pressure monitors that boasts solid features such as its lithium-ion battery that aids USB and solar power charging. This product is one of the best tire pressure monitoring systems for travel trailers that features a wireless deck for best results. This technology allows the device to show precise data on your tire's pressure and temperature 24 hours a day. And if there's an issue with your tires, the audio-visual alarm informs the driver. 11. TimeMate B2 Baco 003C1 Solar Power Wireless TPMS is a wireless truck tire pressure monitoring system. This device features various alarms for slow leaks, high pressure, fast leaks, high temperature, sensors with low battery power, and sensor failure. This feature will enable you to detect and rectify the issue in no time due to the different sounding alarms. The installation process is quite easy and features 6 external sensors. These sensors protect against rain and snow. This feature should allow the sensors to operate at maximum levels for a prolonged time. In conclusion, after going through these tire pressure monitoring system reviews, you shouldn't have any issues finding the best RV tire pressure monitoring system for your vehicle. When you have been able to get the ideal TPMS, it'll help to make certain that your tires are road ready for a safe travel experience. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.